bike rides during lunchtime. What are the benefits of it for you?
Oh, I love it. I get to come out and get fresh air, get
And
some
look at this,
exercise. I know. We're having such fabulous weather this year, and it improves my mood, it improves my productivity in the afternoon. I mean, there's just everything great about it.
Do you think that having Bike Month as a designated month helps us to ride our bikes a lot more?
Oh yeah, I think so. I checked the bicycle challenge standings for our area for the Shasta Bike Challenge. I think City of Reading might be like
Second place.
second or something. Yeah, something like that. So I think it really boosts the ridership. And then I think some people, maybe they weren't riding through the winter, not even in the springtime, but then when Bike Month comes around, they get on their bikes and then they see, oh yeah, it's not that hard to ride my bike to work or ride my bike to the pizza shop or something. So I think it becomes easier for people to get out on their bikes when they become more habituated to it.
Totally agree. Wonderful. Thank you, Trina.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.